Hello, and welcome to my Project 1 Innovative Type. This is the final product, so let's do this. Here we go. File, New, Title, Believe. Make sure the width and height. The width is 7, the height is 4.5, resolution 300, RGB, color mode, contents white. Click OK. Right away, you're going to go to Edit, Fill, White. OK. Now select the Type tool. Make sure you choose a big, thick black font. I chose Arial Black, regular, size 100, smooth. Click once. With caps lock on, type Believe. Make sure that the font is black so you can actually see what you're doing here. Using the Move tool. And of course I misspelled it. Okay, so you're gonna B-L-I. There you go. Type Believe. Using the Move tool, center it. Now we're going to duplicate this layer. Move this one underneath it. Just like that. I'm going to double click to add an inner glow, layer style, dissolve, opacity 100, noise 100, color black, choke 100, size 250, pixels, technique precise, sources on the edge. The quality down here doesn't matter, so don't worry about that. Click OK. You're going to duplicate this layer. Duplicated it. On this one, the one without the effects, we're going to double click on this. We're going to change the V to an A. Now we're going to rasterize this layer. Select layer, rasterize text type. I'm going to come in here with the eraser tool. Get rid of the center bracket on the A and the center bracket on the E. And then we're gonna change the blending mode on this to color dodge. Color dodge. And we're gonna double click to add a gradient overlay layer style. Blending mode, linear dodge, opacity 100, angle is 90. '84 scale, and this is going to be a foreground to background. It's okay. Then you're gonna move this to the top. Double click this. Change the color to white. And now grab your rectangle tool, click once to create a rectangle. The width is 106 pixels by 851. Okay. Change the color to white. And then we're going to change the blending mode to subtract. And using the move tool, we're going to center this over the eye and believe. We're going to name this layer cross. And then grab the rectangle tool again, click once. This time it's going to be 385 and the height is 79. Click OK. Change it to white. Blending mode subtract. I'm going to move this over just like that, creating an inverted cross. Name this layer cross. I'm going to select both of these, put them in a group, call this cross. Alright. And then you're going to select one of the, double click on one of the squares. We're going to add a stroke to it. Size is 10 pixel, position center, blend mode dissolve, opacity 50%, and the color is white. Click OK. You're going to duplicate this layer by this layer effect by holding Alt and dragging. Nice. Now we're going to add a new layer. Add a new layer. Name this layer black. Go to filter, render, clouds. Very cool. Now we're going to go to the layer, image menu, and we're going to mess with the levels. Change this number to 137. The midtones you're going to leave alone, and the highlights you're going to go to 139. Click OK. We're going to change the blend mode on this to hard light. We're going to duplicate this layer. Call this one white. Change the blending mode to difference. And then this one is going to move above the cross. And then the black layer, we're going to move down above the background. Then with the type tool, click once, type L, change the color to black. I'm going to move this over the L. I'm going to go up. We're going to copy the stroke effect from the squares. Now we're going to duplicate this layer. I'm sorry. Change the L to an E or to an I. And then the L2 copper, we're going to change to an E. So what you're doing here is highlighting the word lie. And then you're going to select E, I, L, and believe layer groups. By holding Shift, select them all, put them in a group. Type this, call this group text. You're going to move this to the top of the layer stack. Position. And there we go. There you have it. Good job. Thank you very much for hanging out and watching this tutorial with me. What do you believe?